Hi everybody, and welcome to Teri's Crafty Christmas, and Merry Christmas to you. It's Christmas Eve, and this is the last crafting video of the whole month. And it isn't the crafting video. Guess what it is? You can see that I have the flip through board out. It's going to be a flip through of the magic of Christmas. First, I want to tell you real quick, and I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it's the last day. Make sure to go back through the calendar. Just click on the LinkTree link below, and you visit everybody that made a video this month, please, because they all work so hard, and you're going to have some great content, some great fun, and it's worth it to go through and watch them. The 5 Facebook groups that are having the 5 drawings are here. And the drawings, you can enter the drawings up until the 28th of December. And the drawing is on Sunday, December 29th. And when you make your entry by posting a picture, a video, or a reel in one of the 5 video or Facebook groups, then you get an entry into the drawing by posting. And you need to let us know whether you're using the kit papers, the free weekly challenge papers, or a combination of both. You must include the hashtag Teri's Crafty Christmas. And you can win only once per drawing, but you can win in multiple drawings. The winners are only announced in the drawing videos, so you must watch the drawing video to see if you've won. Okay, how quick was that? Natalie of LineDotArrow is co-hosting this with me, and I'd like to thank her for all her hard work. She donated the 2 kits. She created and donated the 2 kits that we used this month for the collaboration. And those 2 kits are Blue Christmas and the Magic of Christmas, which is the one that we're going to do the flip through now. And 5 Monday, Wednesday, Fridays ago, I don't know which day it was the Blue Christmas flip through. So if you watched all of my videos, you'll see the 2 projects complete, and you're about to see the second flip through. It's going to be quick. The projects are small. Here's the Magic of Christmas. It's got a card with a charm. Underneath this, it says Season's Greetings. And I really love this little lace. And then this opens up, and there's a little pamphlet and a card. This card is so cute. And over here it says Santa's List. So this is the naughty and nice place to write. And this is where the card is underneath. And it's got 2 charms. One is a Christmas present and the other is a candy cane. And those go in there, not the present. Okay, so you close this back up. You open it up like this. You have a giant writing card under an acetate belly band with lace and ribbon that has leaves on it. I call it woodland ribbon. I'm not sure what it's called. You can get it at Temu. And I love this Santa. That's why I made it into a card. On this side, you have another pamphlet with writing space inside. There we go. And I used this little bit of lace, these 2, all the way through. And here's a pocket with 2 little cards. And then you open this, and you see your little reindeer. I couldn't really put anything else on here because the magnet through this booklet was barely holding. So we definitely had to make some adjustments. So this is really cute as well. Nice and large to fit in our big pocket. Then on the next page over, I love this picture as well. And then this flips up, and there's 2 tags behind an acetate pocket. When you take the 2 tags out, there's another great Santa image. You put these 2 back in. Here's a writing area with a poinsettia, whichever way you want to say it. It just depends. This is a stacked pocket full of tags. These are little big long ones. Each pocket goes all the way down. So this one goes down to here. This one goes down to here. This one goes down to here. And we've got our reindeer. Let's fold this back down. We have a card up here. And then on the back, we have this sweet image of the little girl putting the stockings up. And then we also have on this writing card the image of the little boy putting the star on the tree. Okay, so that's it for the magic of Christmas. I decided to do 2 smaller projects, and that way I could highlight both kits. And so I hope that we did, or that I did for you. If you want to see the flip through of the kits, because they're on sale at LineDotArrow Etsy shop, go to the last week of November to YouTube / at LineDotArrow, all one word, LineDotArrow, and you will see the flip through there. Every the 1st of December, Natalie did a crafting video and also gave away some freebies, challenge papers. Then after that, the next 2 Saturdays are crafting video challenges and challenge papers, which are free if you go to the Facebook group, the LineDotArrow Junk Journal group, Facebook group. And I think that's it for that. I think that's all I'm going to throw in there. I just want to thank everybody for joining me. There's going to be a special video tomorrow from me. And yeah, happy Christmas Eve. Open your one present that you're allowed to open if your family does that. And make a comment below and tell me what you got. And tell me what you think of the 2 projects. Okay, thanks a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.